Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to play Roblox without downloading in your device. Let's get started. So if you want to play Roblox without downloading in your device, what you can do is just simply open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar, you can search for GameNora.com. After searching for GameNora.com, you will come up to this website where you can play free games. So over here you can find a bunch of games such as Call of Duty, Roblox and Minecraft and some other games. So now we want to play Roblox, so you can just tap on Roblox, which is over here. But if you can't find Roblox, what you can do is just tap on this search bar and then search for Roblox. After searching for Roblox, it will take you to Roblox game, and now what you can do is just tap on this play button and then start playing your game. So before you start playing your game, you just have to enter some credentials such as your user ID and your email address, and after entering those you can just start playing game. Just tap on play and you can start playing game. But when you are trying to access Roblox, what it shows you is app currently not available in your region. So if you are facing this kind of problem, don't worry guys, there is another website which provides the same features. So just open up a new tab and then just search for now.gg. So after searching for now.gg, it will directly take you to this website where you can play Roblox game. So after coming up to this website, just search for Roblox and you can find Roblox application. You just have to tap on play, and same as before, you just have to enter your credentials and then just tap on play. But even this website if this website also shows you the same problem which says the app is not available in this region, what you can do to fix that is simply download a VPN. So you can use any VPN that you like. You can use your NordVPN or some other VPN that you have, and after using that VPN you just have to access this website, and after doing that you can successfully play the Roblox game online without downloading in your device. So that's it guys, this is how to play Roblox on browser without downloading. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.